It has been 3 decades and more than 1 million sold since the GSX-R line was born. A decade and a half since the first GSX-R1000, K1, changed the open sports bike class forever. Now, the 6th generation GSX-R1000 is redefining the definition of superbike. It embodies the lifework and professional ambition of Suzuki engineers who are extremely passionate about the GSX-R brand and its place in motorcycle history. A team who love riding and racing, enthusiasts who were determined to restore the GSX-R1000 to its rightful place as top dog. It is also the most compact, the most aerodynamic and the best handling GSX-R1000 ever, with smoother throttle response and better combustion efficiency. With a supremely effective electronic engine management system that doesn't require a degree in engineering to understand and doesn't require constant adjustment by a squad of computer technicians to work. Above all, it is a GSX-R. By definition, it is built to perform and be reliable, and designed to help make riders better riders. It has been engineered using the experience gained during 30 years of domination in production-based superbike, superstock and endurance races worldwide, combined with new proprietary technology developed in the MotoGP World Championship. Available in 2 versions, the standard GSX-R1000 and the limited production GSX-R1000R. Both versions come fully equipped for the street, but remove the mirrors, the registration plate and tape up the lights, and they're also ready for closed course dominance. The new GSX-R1000 incorporates more than 600 new parts and components, but the proud, traditional, core engineering philosophy of producing the best possible performance motorcycle has been inherited by the latest GSX-R1000. Throughout 30 years of GSX-R development, Suzuki engineers have focused on the fundamentals that make a great sports bike. Those fundamentals can be distilled down into 3 simple words: run, turn, stop. The design brief was to make the new GSX-R1000 run better, turn better and stop better than any other sports bike before it. In short, develop a new, unmatched combination of reliability, durability, usability and overall performance with excellent racing potential in a package that works as well for street riders as it does for track day riders and amateur or professional racers. The design team quickly settled on the basic engine design goals. The new engine would rev higher and make more peak horsepower, while maintaining excellent low to mid-range power and drive. It would be a compact and lightweight inline 4-cylinder, stock with chain cam drive and 4 titanium valves per cylinder set at narrow angles, with a moreover square bore stroke ratio, a higher redline limit and a higher compression ratio. The details started with bore and stroke of 76 mm by 55.1 mm and 999.8 cubic centimeters displacement. Followed by a new valve train developed in MotoGP competition, using thinner wall, hollow camshafts operating lighter, Formula 1 style pivoting finger followers. Each finger follower is 6 grams lighter than a conventional bucket tappet, 10 grams versus 16 grams, and because each follower pivots on a fixed shaft, its moving mass is just 3 grams. The lighter moving mass allows maximum engine RPM and valve lift to be increased while improving valve response and maintaining accurate valve control. Each finger follower inside the GSX-R1000 is designed based on the actual followers used in the GSX-R MotoGP race bike, including a diamond-like coating, DLC, to increase durability.